In our daily life, many times we get attracted by money, comfort, and small temptation. Sometimes people make wrong decisions because of greed or difficult situation. But at the same time, kindness and trust completely change a person. Hello everyone, I am Asama and today I stand before you to present a story, The Red Trap, which is written by Salman Law. Which teaches us an important lesson about greed, kindness, and human transformation. The story begins with a poor peddler who went around selling a small red tape of wire, but his business was not profitable at all, so he had to resort both begging and petty greed to keep his water. A lonely man without any family or house, one day while walking along the road, he was suddenly struck by the idea that the whole world around him was nothing but a big rat trap. Just as rat trap offers cheese and forks as bait to trap a rat, the, the world also offers joy, shelter, and food to trap human beings. The peddler believed that anyone who got tempted by these things would get trapped in world's rat trap. One evening, as the peddler was trudging along the road, he came to a little grey cottage and asked for the shelter. An old crofter who lived there alone opened the door. Since he was lived alone without wife or child, he was happy to get someone to talk in his loneliness. He welcomed the peddler warmly. The crofter gave him hot porridge for supper, tobacco for smoke, and shelter for the night. After supper, both of them played a game of cards and talked cheerfully. During the conversation, the crofter told the peddler that earlier he had worked at Ramso Iron Works, but now he earned his living by selling his cow's milk. He proudly said that his cow was an extraordinary cow because she gave more milk than any other cow. To prove his words, he took down a leather pouch hanging on the window frame and showed the 30 krona which he had received from the creamery that very day. The the peddler carefully noticed the money, although the crofter trusted him completely and treated him kindly, but the sight of 30 krona tempted the peddler greatly. The next morning, when the peddler had gone out, the peddler came and broke the window pane and took the 30 krona from the leather pouch and escaped. Afraid of being caught, he avoided the public highway and turned into the forest. The forest was very confusing and he kept walking in circles. Soon he realized that he had fallen into the world's rat trap. Tired and frightened, he tired and frightened. He finally heard the sound of hammer stock, and he followed the sound and reached the iron mill. Here there he entered the forge to warm himself near the furnace. The master blacksmith noticed him but didn't pay much attention to him. After some time, the iron master came here for inspection. The iron master mistook the peddler that he was his old regimental comrade, Captain Von Staff. The iron master invited him to his house for Christmas, but the peddler uh,
Decline the invitation.
But the peddler declined the invitation because he afraid that his real identity would be discovered. But the iron master thought his old friend would be ashamed because of his poor condition. So he decided to send his daughter Adla Wilmanson to pursue him. Adla was very kind and friendly. She came with a fur coat and a wallet. She, although she understood that the peddler was not a captain, she treated him with kindness and or respect. Her gentle behavior touches the peddler heart, and finally he agreed to go with her to Ironmaster house. At the Ironmaster house, the peddler was given good food, clean clothes, and proper care. On the Christmas morning, peddler and the Ironmaster come to know that the peddler was actually the thief who stolen the 30 kroners of Crofter. When they returned, they found that the peddler already left. But Adela found a packet on the table. Inside it was a 30 kroner and a letter for Adela. In the letter, the peddler thanked the Adela and wrote that because she treated him like a captain, he he wanted to become an honest man, and and in the last he signed the letter as Captain von Stell. In the end, the story teaches us that kindness, trust, love, and respect can change a thief into a good person. Thank you.
Very good. Okay.